Hi, welcome students. Welcome to the online class. Now we are going for question with the second question. See the question. B Limited imported goods from UK cereal. We are importing. We are not exporting. See, when come to importing, we have to calculate CAF value. If we are exporting, we have to calculate only till adjusted effort. B Limited imported goods from UK, so we need to go for three steps. First one, FOB value of machine 8000 UK pound. In the question, they only specified FOB value. So no need to find out step number 1, that is calculation of FOB. Directly go for step number 2, that is computation of accessible value. FOB value of machine is 8000 UK pound. Air freight by air, not by any other transportation. Freight by air, so we need to go for applicable of formal. Next one, design and development charges paid in UK means in exporter only. Exporter, between exporter port to exporter factory, we incur some kind of expenses. That is, we need to add it out. Then commission paid in India. Any kind of expenses, if you are paying in India, you should not consider except what? Except commission. But when come to commission also, in the problem if given any kind of buying commission, you should not consider. But they given only a commission, so this commission amount we have to consider. They given in rupees. For every item, identify whether they given in pound or rupees. Next one, integrated tax is 12%. Integrated tax is nothing but your IGST. IGST is 12%. GST says that is at 10. GST composition says is 4%. Next one, important here, new adjustment, particulars BCD, that is basic custom duty. Then they give some kind of exchange rate. Exchange rate assume it as it is given by C by AC. Date of bill of entry on 24/10/2019. Date of entry inward means date of bill of entry, on that date I presented a bill. Next one, date of entry inward, on that date the vessel means through by air right, on that date the freight entered into India on 20th/10/2019. When come to BCD, which rate we have to consider, either 10% or 12%. For this we need to go for method. When come to BCD, we need to consider date of bill of entry or date of entry inward. Out of those two, we have to consider whichever is later. Whichever is later here, that is 20th and 24th, month is 10. We have to consider 24th/10/2019. That is BCD rate is 10%. This rate we have to consider. Next one, when come to exchange rate, there is no any kind of comparison. On the date of bill of entry, on the date of bill of entry, whatever the rate is there, that rate we have to specify, that is 68 rupees. Let's go for the solution. Step number 1, no need to calculate, because in the problem itself they give some kind of FOB value, that is FOB here, that is pound, that is 8000 UK pound, plus add any expenses incurred from factory to port of exporter. Freight, step number 2, design development charges paid in UK, that is design charges. Design charges paid in UK, that is 500. Next one, commission paid in India. Any kind of expenses occurred in importer, we should not consider, only except we have to consider commission. So commission we have to consider, that is commission value. They given in rupees, not in pound. So much rupees value, that is 22,000. Next one, integrated tax, GST composition says, don't consider. When come to adjusted FOB, when come to rate, which rate we have to specify, that is 68 rupees. 8000 into 68,
5,44,000.
5,44,000. Next one, design and development charges in UK 500 into 68.
34,000.
34,000. Next one, when come to commission, they given in rupees. We have to convert into pound. How to convert? That is 22,000 divided by 68.
323.52.
323.52. Take it as 323 or take it as 324 for simple calculation. 324 into 68 will getting in and around 22,000. Now, what is my adjusted FOB? That is 8,500, 324.
8,824.
8,824. Where is income to rupees column? 22, 34, then 54, 400. Sorry, 5 lakh 44.
6 lakh.
Yes, 6 lakh. For this adjusted FOB, we need to add two items. First one, freight. When come to freight, we need to check it out either through by air or land or through by ocean. Freight through by air, actual. If it is freight through by land, in a sense, we have to consider actual amount only, don't compare. If it is freight only through by air, we need to go for actual. How much is actual freight here? 2,500 or 20% on adjusted FOB. How much is FOB? That is 8,824 into 20%. 8,824 into 20%.
1,765.
1,765, whichever is less, that is 1,765. Next one, convert into rupees. Next one, go for the insurance. See, the problem is given any kind of insurance value here. They are not given any kind of insurance. If it is given any kind of insurance, we have to consider this same amount. If it is not given any insurance, we have to consider that is adjusted FOB 8,824 into 1.125%, which is 1,765 into 68. 1,765 into 68.
1,20,020.
1,20,020. When come to insurance, 8,824 into 1.125%.
Wait. 99.27.
99.27. So take it as 99. 99 into 68.
6,732.
6,732. Add out the value. 6 lakh plus 1,20,020 plus 6,732.
7,26,752.
7,26,752. This one take it as your assessable value in rupees. If you want, you can add out pound values. But when come to duty payable, we have to consider rupees value, that is 7,26,752. This is your step number 2, that is computation of assessable value. Next one, step 2, that is last step, that is computation of duty payable. Next one, that is computation of duty payable. Assessable value is 7,26,752. First, we need to add, that is BCD. So when come to BCD, they give two rates, but we have to consider whichever is later, that is 10%. 7,26,752 into 10%. 7,26,750 into 10 percentage, that is
72,675.
675. Same amount, 72,675. Add the value.
726,752 plus 72,675. In the first column, 7,99,427.
427. Next one. Which next one we have to consider? That is CVD. Check on the problem. Is given any kind of CVD here? No CVD. So take it as nil. So go for the same amount. That is 7,99,427 and 72,675. Next one we need to compute, that is social welfare surcharge, that is 10% on BCD amount. That is 10% on BCD, that is 72,675 into 10%. 7,260.
7,267.5.
7,267.
First column 8 lakh. One second, 8,06,694.
8,06,694. Next one, 70,675 plus 7,267.
79,942.
79,942. This is first one. Next one, we need to go for 2, that is IGST, then GST, composition cess. This is important. When come to IGST, how much the IGST here? Say IGST or integrated tax, both are same. That is 12%. 12% on 8,06,000 something. That is 8,06,694 into 12%.
96,803.
96,803. 96,803. Same way, GST composition says assume it as those two are related to GST. GST we have to calculate on this figure, that is 8,06,694. GST composition says that is 4%, same. That is 8,06,694 into 4%. 8,06,694 into 4%.
32,268.
32,268. At 10, how much tax I need to pay? 79,942 plus 96,803 plus 32,268. This is your duty pay.
2,09,013.
2,09,000.
13,013.
This is the duty payable for the question. Thank you.